Chapter 21 Question Sentences. Learn with me. Words like who, what, where, when, why, how, which, and whose are used to ask questions. They help us find out more about a person, place, time, reason, manner, choice, or ownership. These are called question words or interrogative words. Question sentences are sentences that ask for information. They usually begin with a question word and with a question mark. They help us learn more about people, place, things, and action. Let us read some more examples. 1. Who is coming to the party? 2. Why are you late? 3. What is your favorite color? 4. How did you make this cake? 5. Where did you put the keys? 6. Which book did you choose? 7. When will the movie start? 8. Whose pencil is this? Learn with me. Questions with is, are, am, was, and were. We can make question with is, are, am, was, were, can, and will. All you have to do is to begin your sentence with these words and put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Example: he is a lazy boy. Is he a lazy boy? I am early today. Am I early today? They will come to my office. Will they come to my office? He can drive a truck. Can he drive a truck? Jill was drinking milk. Was Jill drinking milk? Additional insights. In question sentences, the order of words is different from regular sentences. A key rule is that helping verb often come before the pronoun or subject. For example, 1. You are wearing a jacket. What are you wearing? 2. She has finished her homework. What has she finished? This order helps us understand that we are asking a question.